In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the automatic time zone on your iPhone and manually set it yourself. This can be useful if your time is showing incorrectly, if you're traveling to a different country, or if your phone is not updating the time zone properly. Sometimes iPhones automatically change time based on your location, but if you want full control over the time settings, you need to disable the automatic option. Now let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down to tap on General. Then scroll down and select Date and Time. You will see an option that says Set Automatically. Make sure this is turned off and disabled. After that, tap on Time Zone and manually select your new time zone. If the option is grayed out or not working, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure it is turned off. Once disabled, go back to the Date and Time settings, and you should now be able to turn off, set automatically, and manually change your time zone.